Hello everyone and welcome. Have you ever wondered how do streetlights switch on by themselves every evening without anyone flipping a switch? The answer is a simple sensor-based idea called a smart night lamp. Today, we are going to build our very own automatic night lamp using an Arduino Uno and a sensor called an LDR. When our circuit senses darkness, it will turn the LED on automatically and keep the LED off whenever there's enough light around. This project teaches you the real basics of how light sensors and microcontrollers work together. The same concept used in street lights, garden lamps, and smart home lighting. So let's get started.
Now let's understand the most important component in this project, the LDR, which stands for Light Dependent Resistor. An LDR is a small sensor that can detect how much light is around it. But how does it work? Inside the LDR, there is a special material whose resistance changes depending on light. In bright light, the resistance becomes very low, so electricity flows through it easily. In darkness, the resistance becomes very high, blocking the flow of electricity. Think of it like this. The LDR is like a gatekeeper that opens the gate wide in bright light and almost shuts it in the dark. Now, let's look at the pins on the LDR module. VCC. This is the power pin. Connect it to 5 volts. GND. This is the ground pin. Connect it to the ground of the Arduino. D0. This stands for digital output. It sends a signal to the Arduino telling it whether it's bright or dark nearby. Now that we understand our main sensor, let's move on to the other components. Before we wire everything up, let me quickly explain the other components. The LED. LED stands for light emitting diode. It lights up when current flows through it in the correct direction. An LED has 2 legs. The longer leg is the positive leg, also called the anode. The shorter leg is the negative leg, called the cathode. This is the light our project will control automatically. Jumper wires. Jumper wires carry power and signals between the Arduino, the breadboard, and our components without any soldering needed. The breadboard. A breadboard has rows and columns of connected holes. It lets us build and test circuits quickly and neatly just by plugging components in. Now, let's build the circuit. Now it's time to connect everything together. Follow each step carefully. We have 2 components to connect to the Arduino: the LDR module and the LED. Step 1. Placing the components. Place the LDR module on the breadboard. Place the LED on the breadboard, a little distance away from the LDR. Step 2. Connecting the LDR. Connect the VCC pin of the LDR to the Arduino's 5-volt pin. Connect the GND pin of the LDR to the Arduino's GND pin. Connect the D0 pin of the LDR to digital pin 7 on the Arduino. This allows the sensor to send its light detection signal to the Arduino. Step 3. Connecting the LED. Connect the longer positive leg of the red LED to digital pin 8 on the Arduino. Connect the shorter negative leg of the red LED to the Arduino's GND pin. Step 4. Connecting the Arduino to the computer. Now, connect the Arduino to your computer. Take a USB cable and connect one end to the Arduino board. Connect the other end to a USB port on your computer. The Arduino will receive power and will be ready to upload and run your code. And that's it. All connections are now complete. Let's do a quick summary before we move to the code. The LDR's output pin is on pin 7. The LED's positive leg is on pin 8. Both components share the same 5-volt and GND connections from the Arduino. Double check your connections before moving on. In your CS lab, open the menu and find the Arduino IDE. Click the new project and name the project Smart Night Lamp. When it opens, you'll see a blank file. This is called a sketch. Every Arduino program is called a sketch. You'll notice 2 main sections in the sketch. The setup function This runs once when the Arduino starts. The loop function. This runs again and again, continuously, as long as the Arduino is powered on. We will now write our code inside these two sections. Now, let's take a simple look at the code. The code has three main parts. The first part at the very top is where we give names to our pin numbers, one for the LDR and one for the LED. We also create a variable to store the LDR's reading. The second part is called the setup. This runs just once when the Arduino is switched on. Here we tell the Arduino which pin is for receiving information from the LDR and which pin is for sending power to the LED. We also start serial communication, so we can see live readings on our computer screen. The third part is called the loop. This is the heart of the program. It runs again and again, non-stop, as long as the Arduino has power. It keeps reading, is it light or is it dark? If the LDR reads a value showing brightness, the LED turns off. If the LDR reads a value showing darkness, the LED turns on. Alongside this, the Arduino also prints a message on the serial monitor, telling us whether it's currently light or night. That's really all this code is doing, checking the light level and responding to it. Simple and smart. You can copy this code directly from the source link provided in the description, paste it into the Arduino IDE, and it's ready to upload. Now, let's upload the code to the Arduino. Before uploading, make sure your Arduino is connected to your computer using the USB cable. Step 1. In the Arduino IDE, select the board, Arduino Uno. Step 2. Click the full screen button and select Serial Monitor. Then click Connect. Step 3. Now, click the Upload button. You'll see a progress bar at the right side of the screen. Wait for a few seconds. When the upload is complete, you'll see the message Upload Complete at the bottom of the screen. If you see any red error messages instead, don't worry. Check your code carefully for any typos or missing semicolons. Every symbol in the code matters. Once the upload is successful, the program starts running on the Arduino immediately. Now for the most exciting part. Let's test a smart night lamp. Right now in normal room light, notice that the LED stays off. Now I'm going to turn off the lights of the room, just like it would get dark outside. Watch what happens. The moment the LDR senses the drop in light, the LED immediately turns on. On the computer screen, you can see the serial monitor printing the message, "It's night, LED on." Now let's turn on the lights and let light fall back on the sensor. Instantly, the LED turns off again. And the serial monitor now shows it's light, LED off.
Our smart night lamp is working perfectly, just like real street lights and garden lamps. Our circuit senses the darkness and switches the light on automatically, without needing anyone to flip a switch on. Thank you for watching. Keep building, keep learning, and keep experimenting. See you in the next project.